Good morning, everybody. This is Todd with the Forex Nitty Gritty Insiders Daily Video. Hope you're having a great day today, and hopefully the market has treated you well. We're going to take a look at some of the movements that we saw here over the last week or so, and just look at the daily charts. Our movement here, this is a Euro US dollar, and I want to point out a couple things, but from the 11th to right now, we're up 315 pips on this. There's a couple important things as we start to look for identifying things like the trend, support, resistance that are important in this. And I'm going to zoom out just a little bit more. We talk about price patterns that occur. We talk about how those price patterns are relying on the concept of support and resistance and trend to really give us a indication of when things are getting ready to move. So what we saw happening here is we saw really a consolidation of movement, where the price just went sideways until it broke out of this channel. And this breakout the last couple of days has moved up 160-ish pips. So when we look to trade, we know that the momentum really kind of kicked in. Zoom back in on this a little bit. What we want to do is when we identify, especially looking for the simple trading method, when we see a movement like this where there's really a strong breakout, we really want to focus in on looking for the times where the market pulls back, runs up, and settles down. And these areas are the times where we want to look to capture that continued movement in the direction that the price broke out. So nice trend out of a breakout, looking for the simple trading method. As we compare that to some of these other pairs, here's the the Aussie US dollar. You can see real strong movement continuing to show strength here. We really kind of had this area of support. This is really forming more of a wedge type of a movement, but breaking out and really being able to move higher here. We look at the US Swiss franc. This is going to be inverse of the euro dollar, but you can see that same type of triangle, that breakout, those pullbacks. Pound dollar, not so much a strong price pattern here, as we just have kind of almost the idea of like a triple bottom here. It broke out and started to move up. US Japanese yen, kind of forming a little bit of a flag pattern here, where we're getting a little bit of a pullback. Look for a breakout of that. We did have consolidation happening here, and then on the breakout, ran up, looking for the pullbacks to look for additional entries. And on the US CAD, notice how we ran up into these old highs here. Some movement upward, broke out, pulling back hard here now. So This one's kind of a little more difficult because it's a little more choppy and not as deliberate in its movements. So, the key here, guys, is to be able to determine the time frame that you're looking at, and then look for opportunities to take trades as it settles back and becomes a setup criteria. The setup criteria is met for that simple trading method. And so practice with that, and if you have questions, let me know. But look for the trend, look for support and resistance, and look for those breakouts to tell you when the market is ready to take advantage of that simple trading method. So have a great day, everybody. If you have questions, let us know, and we'll be back tomorrow to continue to look at what's happening in the markets. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.